Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I am Da Olivera. Today I have brought another video for you. Another idea for a bracelet made in macrame. Today I have a very different weaving technique. This is the first time I am sharing it here on the channel. I really liked it. It creates a very cool effect. A combination of colors, look, that you can vary according to the mix of bracelets you will create. It's quite easy to make as well, there's not much secret to it. I'm sure you will really like this idea. Alright, shall we move on to today's step by step? So, for this bracelet, I will use 3 lengths of silk thread. I am using 1 mm silk thread. And here I have 1.5 meters of blue thread. I'm also using this one, which is a beige color. This one is 1 meter and 20. And this one, 75 centimeters long, will be the thread for our base. Okay. So here I will use the 70 centimeter one. I will fold it in half and I will cut the one on the other side, as it will be the base of our bracelet. Okay. And I will leave, see, about 4 fingers here, which is equivalent to roughly 8 to 10 centimeters. Let me show you here, see. This will be for later finishing the bracelet. Okay, so I come here, mark it with my finger, and I will secure it here on the board, either on the board or on the loom, whichever you are using. Alright. So now I will place the thread, the 1.5 meter long. I will secure it here on the bracelet at the base. See, I bring the thread here underneath. I bring the 2 ends together. See, I will take it here to the middle. I tied a little knot here. I will just release it. I will fix it here. Again, I bring it here to the middle of the thread and I will make the basic knot of macrame to secure the bracelet here. Alright. Oh, so I will take the right thread here and pass it over the base. And the left thread, I bring it here over the right thread, underneath, and here, through the middle. And I adjust it. I will take it up there. See, and I have already secured the longer thread here on the bracelet. I will do the same thing. With the lighter thread, I will also pass it underneath here. But this thread, I won't place it exactly in the middle. I'll just place it at the tip. Okay, so I will follow the same step-by-step process. Look, I start with the thread here. First over the base, then here on the left. I bring it underneath and through. And I will adjust it. But here I want to leave just a little tip, so I will pull it here to keep the thread very short. See, here on the right side. Okay. Because I want to leave just a little tip of the thread here, and we'll cut this excess later when we finish. Okay. Look. And I also take it up there. Now both are stuck. Alright, I will just adjust this here to keep the thread aligned like this. And now to start weaving, I will begin here. On the left side, I will make a loop. I come with the left thread. I will make a loop, see. But the tip of the left thread, I will pass here through the middle of the base, see, underneath, still coming out to the left side, see, making an S. Do you see? I made an S like this, and then with a lighter thread, I come in with it.
Here, see, on top of everything. But look, the tip comes here underneath, and it will come out here, all right, in the space that we left. And I pull it to the right side now, see, and adjust both at the same time. See, tighten it well, for both stay nice and firm there. Now the little colored thread has come out. Here, see. I will now take the thread on the right and do the same thing but in the opposite direction, see. I will leave the loop, and with the tip, see, I come here under the right thread, pass through it, and I will pull it as well. I will do the same thing, but here I will make the S, but it will be the S in reverse. Okay. I come here again with the lighter thread. See, I take the tip of it, and it will go underneath here, and it will come out in the space I left. See, I pull it through here. He comes here to the left now in the opposite direction, and I will be adjusting both threads, the blue and the green, at the same time. You see, I will do it once more for you to see. It's not difficult sometimes. In the first few stitches, it may seem a bit complicated, but you will quickly get the hang of it, all right. Oh, the thread on the left now. I make a loop. Take the tip, pass it through here and underneath. See, I pull, making an S shape. Now I will take the middle thread, the white one. See, the light one, and I come with it underneath the thread and come out with it at the first loop. See, and pull it in the opposite direction. See, I adjust here. Pull the blue, pull the light one, and fix it. Now the thread is on the right side. See, I will work on the right side. I make a little loop. Take the tip from underneath and inside and adjust it, see, creating a reverse S. I take the tip of the light thread here, pass it underneath everything and come out with it inside here, see. And I pull to the other side in the opposite direction of the thread. See, I come here, pull the blue and the light thread at the same time. Just look at how it's turning out. Okay. And if you who are watching the video and enjoying it are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to receive new videos every week. Turn on notifications so you know when there are new videos. I always bring new, different ideas for you with the complete step-by-step guide. This way, you support me on the channel and I really appreciate all of your support. Okay. I will do it once more for you to follow along here kindly, but the step-by-step will be the same until the end of the bracelet. So, it creates a really cool effect. Okay. Look, the first thing. I start on the left side, make a loop with the tip of the same thread from the left. I pass it through here in the middle and underneath, pull it, making an S on the left side. I come in with the lighter thread, pass it underneath everything and come out with it at the first loop we made. And this middle thread, the lighter thread, will always be pulled in the opposite direction, see. If he was on the left, I pull him to the right. And when he is there on the right, I will pull him to the left. Okay, it's coming out this way now. So it's time to do it on this side. See, on the right side, I also make the loop with his tip. I pass through or underneath or making it more opposite or. And with the light thread, I come underneath everything. Come out with it here at the loop. And pull it to the left side. Okay. Oh, I pull the blue one. And then I come with the lighter one and finish adjusting. And this is how it turns out. The center becomes all light, see, and the edges turn blue. It's a really cool and different point for you to make. Okay. I will continue here now until the end, and I will be back to show you the measurements and how it turned out, the effect it gives. Okay. Now I have reached the end of the bracelet. Let me show you the measurement. It turned out to be,
I made it almost 14 centimeters. All right, a good measurement. Between 12 and 14 varies with the size of the wrist. Okay, this one I made with 14. Now I will show you how I will finish it. Here the light string is already at the very tip. It's quite short now. I will pull it down here along with the other strings. Let me pull it here so you can see better, along with the other base strings. And I will finish by making the knot of the macrame to close the bracelet here. I will bring the string from the left over the 3 strings, and the little string from the right comes here, over the string from the left, goes underneath and comes through here, see. So I will come here and adjust it well. I will tighten it here. Let me pull it tight here. The leftover string, see. I will tighten it and do the same thing on the other side. Come here with the right string now, and the left one goes up underneath. It slipped. It will come out here too. See, and I adjust it to hold the end of the bracelet securely here. Okay. Now look, I am going to cut the excess string that is left on this side. That side at the beginning, you see. Oh, there's just a little bit left. So I come here, cut it, and leave a little bit to burn. I don't know the string. I will do the same thing here with the excess string, light in color. I will cut it. Seal the string, and I will cut the leftover blue string here. And I will do the same thing, see. Burn the tip and seal the string. Always burn it here on the blue part at the bottom. Okay, on the left. Just look at how the braiding looks. Isn't it beautiful? This here is the back, see. Now I will check if the 2 ends here on both sides are even. Oh, there's a little bit left, so I will cut the excess. To make it even, I will tie a knot here at the end, see. I do the same thing on the other side, and I will make the adjustable clasp here on the bracelet. For the adjustable clasp, oh, I cut the same blue string. I cut 20 centimeters of it, all right. I bring it here from underneath. See, I join the 2 sides of the bracelet at the ends. Look. I come here from below, place it in the middle of the string, and I'm going to make a simple knot to hold it in place. See. Hold it. And I will also make the basic knot of macrame. On the adjustable clasp, I bring the string from the right over the top. The one from the left comes over the top, underneath everything, and I come out here at the loop, see, and I adjust. I do the same thing here on the left over everything. I come here underneath and come out here, and I adjust it as well. The same thing here on the right, and I alternate the sides, always one side, then the other. There is already a video on the channel showing the step-by-step explanation of the adjustable clasp, and there are also 2 more options for you to watch, so you can choose what you prefer. Alright, here I continue until I finish the string. I think we can make one more here on this side. Let me see. No, it's quite small, so this is good already. I just said to cut the excess here, and also to practice on both sides. Look at how it turned out. Different, right? You can make various color combinations. It looks really nice too. to create the bracelet mixes. Okay, here's another idea for you all. I hope you liked it. Alright, thank you very much for sticking around and watching the video until now. Please give it a like. Okay, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.